So today we are going to learn 2 or more digits list addition. Okay. So we already know single digit list addition. So let me tell you how to do it. So take ready. So first we have to here we have 2 single lines. First one and yeah, we have we need to consider them as 2 separate lines. Understood?
Yes.
So then ready. So apply single digit list on first line. 4 plus 7 1. Okay. 1 plus 6 7 7 plus 5 2 2 2 plus 4 6 6 plus 8 4 4 plus 9 3 3 plus 5 8 8 plus 9 7 7 plus 8 5 5 plus 5 0. So keep a 0 and count the number of dots 3 3 7. 70 is the first part answer bar. So same on the second line 7 5 2 7 plus 6 3 3 plus 8 1 1 plus 6 7 7 plus 5 2 2 plus 6 8 8 plus 6 4. So write 4 here and count the number of dots 7 again 74. So apply carry-out rule, you will get the answer 4 7 7. 774 is the answer for this problem. Everyone understood?
Yeah.
Anyone have doubt? Did anyone have doubt? Let me tell you one more problem with more numbers now. 2 or more digit list, right? We have learning today. So, tuck, 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 tuck. Yeah. Tuck, 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 tuck. Ready. Let's see. We have 3 lines now. We have to do 3 times. You'll get 3 answers. That's it. 7. So it is 6. It is 2. It is 2. It is 1. So 1 here, 4 digits, 4 dots, 41. Next, 4, here 4, okay. Then 3, 2, 0. So write 0 here and count number of dots, 4, 40. Next one, 3, 0, and 3. So 3 here, 33. So answer is 41 bar 40 bar 33. So answer is 3, 3, 5, 4. 4533 is the total of 785 plus 968 plus 695 plus 742 plus 356 plus 987. Everyone understood?
Yes. Yes.
Do you got it?
Yes.
So I just mentioned end numbers for your understanding. Okay, without end numbers, we can easily do that. You already know that how to do with 3 digits. I mean, sorry, without any number by using dot method. How can we do? You already know that, right? So let me show you how to do that.
You don't want to use, right?
Just using dot method.
You know, but you don't want to use it.
Yes, yes, that is your wish. You can use or you cannot use. That based on your comfort, you use it. Okay, because we need to learn dot method, which improves your confidence because you can do it in just seconds. And it is also useful, for example, if I give the problem like this to you, for example, if I give 4-digit number, addition of 4-digit list, then it is difficult for you to mention the end number. Understood? If it is dot, it is easy. Just keeping dot here and remembering 0, okay, then 0 again, and then 4 and 3, 43. You see, it is looking, it is also good. If you write any numbers, it looks like ugly. Okay, dot method, which improves your IQ level a lot, and you can understand how a computer is using cache memory. That is nothing but RAM, temporary memory, how it is using, how it is replacing the places, like by using 1 byte space, how it is working. It is what you can learn. Our brain will work like that only. Based on our brain only, we have created the processor. Understood? So 3, 2, 1, 8. So 38 is first part. 3, 0, 5, 9. 39 is the second part. 4, 5, 1, 0. 40 is the second part. I mean third part. So answer is 38 bar, 39 bar, 40. So 0, 3 and 12, 4, 2, 3, 0 is the answer. Got it?
Yes. Yeah. I have a question.
Yeah. Anybody have questions? Please ask me.
I do.
Tell me.
The question is, like, if we do a 3-digit number,